Hi, my name's Grace and I'm a Community Engagement Manager here at the Student Room, and today I'm going to take you through how to use our Preparing for Results Day Google Sheets template. So as you can see, I've got the template up and ready, and the very first thing I need to do so that I can use the template is to head over and make my own copy. So by clicking File and Make a Copy, and then copying over the document, changing the name if I'd like to, I can now edit the template in this new copy of it, which means I can then add in all the information that's relevant to me. So to get started, I just need to add in my personal ID number and pop in my predicted grades just down here. Then having some questions to think about, why do I need to think about clearing, and what you're going to do if you're not accepted to your firm and insurance choice universities, just there for you. You can have a little look around the information there. That just takes you off to our website, Student Room, if you are interested. But this section here is kind of the main section. This is where we're looking at our clearing options and doing a little bit of research to get prepared before results day this year. So there may be some universities in particular that you're thinking, oh, I might want to apply there through clearing. I might need to do that, a little bit of research, get all my information down in one place so that if it comes to it on the day, I'm prepared, I've got everything down and I know what I need to do straight away. So for example here, you just pop in the name of the university and the entry requirements. If you are looking for any more information around that, all the universities' individual websites will have that information. But if you also keep a kind of eye on our applications clearing and UCAS form here on the Student Room as well, and keep an eye on sticky threads, around the middle of July, we will start to kind of put in our information about the universities that are in clearing and give you a little bit of advice and guidance on what the entry requirements may be for that, so you can keep an eye on that yourself. Pop in the entry requirements, have a think about the accommodation options, what it is that you like about the uni, and any questions that you may want to ask if you do have to call up or talk to one of the universities over a clearing form, for example. And then popping in the contact details there, so a telephone number is always a good shout, the URL to the university's website, and if they have a clearing form that you know that you may need to use, also popping that down there as well. Now, if you wanted to chat to other students who are applying to those universities there as well, click on this and that will take you through to our thread, which is all the information about all the different group chats that are happening on site at the moment, where you can get started on having a discussion with others. Or if you're not 100% sure about the universities that you're interested in, you can also sign up for our helpful email alerts, which will help kind of advise you which universities have spaces and could be perfect for you, so you can sign up just there. We also have a section here for adjustment as well. So if your grades are much better than you expected them to be and you exceeded your current offer at your firm choice university, adjustment may be an option for you. You can find out a little bit more information about what adjustment is by clicking on this link here. But you can also add in some kind of speculative research about what universities you might want to consider if you were going to head into adjustment. Now, adjustment's a funny thing. These universities may or may not be an adjustment, but it's a good idea to have this information down so you can get ready and prepared for that if you think, well, that's something that might happen. And again, expected entry requirements, you might not know for 100% sure yet because you do need to contact those universities on the day, but it's good to get an idea of what they're currently looking for the course that you're interested in. Accommodation options again, if there's anything you're interested in, there may not be that in adjustment this year round, but you might need to have a look and see anyway. It might be a question that you want to ask that university as well if they have any accommodation in adjustment. And again, how you can contact them on the day. With adjustment, you need to contact that university and ask if they're in adjustment. So having a phone number down, the URL for the website again is super helpful. I really hope that this template is useful and that you can make the most of it and help you get prepared for results day. We're here to help on TSR all the way through results day as well and the build up to it. Do come and chat to us on TSR. We're more than happy to help with any questions that you've got. Do that by starting a discussion in our clearing applications forum. Sign in, create your account and get chatting. Thank you so much. Have a lovely day.